This is a brief tutorial on how to edit your WordPress blog and set it up and publish articles within it. So for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using blog.armstrongish.com. So that blog is located at that address. So you would go to your address, blog, your URL.com, and then after that you would type WP admin. And that'll take you into the administrative section, I should say. So let's just wait for that to show up. And there's the user interface. And then I'm go ahead and type in my credentials. And that'll take me to the dashboard. And just to go over a couple things inside the dashboard, you have kind of a brief summary of what's going on in your blog. You have one post. Just to point out, the four on this side are different, are not related to these four. They don't read across, so these are all separate counts. So we have one post, one page, two categories, one comment, one approved comment, 0 pending comments, and 0 spam comments. So what you do once you get into your dashboard is to go ahead and click on Posts. And that takes us to the area where we will edit and add new blog posts. So first of all, let's go ahead and add a new one. So I'm going to go Add New. And then I'm going to put the title of the blog. So I'll just put in "This is a test blog." And then go down here and you can either copy and paste from a Word article or type in directly. So I'll just type in "This is a WordPress blog example." You can press Enter key to go to the next paragraph. And then once you've edited your blog, or you've typed in what you want to have showing, you go down and then you put in the author. You can ignore all these sections. Just put in the author, and I'll put the author that should already be in place for you. And then if you want to add some keywords, you can do that as well. This is all for SEO purposes. Some of these keywords might already be in there. Keywords, blog, test, just keywords that, I'm sorry, this is the description. So you put in the description of the blog. And then keywords, description, etc. So once we have all that done, we can do a save draft. And then we want to go over here and maybe categorize it. So let's put on estate planning, and let's just do want to add a new category. Just click Add New Category. Type in test blog, and then put that up there, and that'll appear now in your list. And by default, it's checked. And then you can do a preview of that blog. So you click Preview. And there it is. You can close that window. And then if you want to publish it immediately, you can click Publish. Or if you want to delay the publishing by a week, let's say, I would go May 24th. Actually, today is May 24th, so we go, let's say June, or May 31st would be a week from today. So May 31st. And then the time, it's all military time, so if I want to do it at 6 a.m., I'd go like that. Click OK. And then I would click Schedule. And then I can go back to my posts button. And we can see now that I have this scheduled for 5:31, and we already have one published. Now I can go in and edit a blog that's already been published by clicking on the title of the blog. And I can edit in this sentence, and that's all I want to do. So I click update. And then I can actually go to the live blog to see my updates. That's blog.armstrongfish.com without the WP admin. So there it is. Please check back soon. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to go ahead and take that out, update it. And go back to posts. Then I go back to the main the main post page, and I see now I have this welcome to our blog published and this one scheduled. I can go in and change schedule blog, make edits to it, or if I wanted to reschedule it to a different time, I can also reschedule it. A little bit of a slow connection today, so bear with me. And then I can go over here and I can edit the schedule. So I just click edit and say I want to do it on June 5th. Click OK. And of course you can always preview what you're doing, even if it's when it's not live, that is. Or you can add or remove categories. So that's all you really need to focus on is the title, the text of the blog, the author, and if the keywords are not already there, you can add them in yourself. And then scheduling, and of course updating, and then of course preview. And that's a real brief tutorial, and you can always email web-request at AAEPA.com if you have any further questions, and we'll get back to you right away. Thanks.